Hello everybody and welcome to a review on the 120mm full LED chassis fan. It's from DL Extreme, which I have linked in the description. The fan got 4 different colors: yellow, blue, red and green, and it's transparent, which makes a very cool looking lighting effect inside your computer. The price of the fan, it's pretty cheap. It's 4.7 at American dollars. The fan got 7 blades and does not make much noise, which is pretty good. A comparison is the Cooler Master, which is not a DL Extreme product. They look pretty much the same, only differences are color and connectors. The Cooler Master got red light, while the chassis fan got yellow, blue, red and green light. The connectors are different. As you see here, the connector on the chassis fan is a pin connector, which is connected directly to the power supply. Bad thing about this is that you can't control the fan directly from the motherboard, which you can do with the Cooler Master, which is connected directly to the motherboard. Yeah. The size of the fan, it's normal sized, same size as 2 iPhone 5s. And yeah, now I'm going to show you how to install the fan, which is very easy. Okay, now how to install the fan. This is pretty simple. First of all, you need your fan, of course, a screwdriver, a pen connector and some screws. The screws are unfortunately not included in the package, so you'll have to find some laying around or buy them, but that's not the biggest problem. First of all, you'll need to know if your fan is going to pull or blow air into your computer or take it out. So I want to take it, make it an intake. So see here, already got one installed. See, the fan will blow this direction. Now it will blow inwards. Put it like here and just screw the screws in there, and yeah, let's get over to the connecting. Now over to the easiest part of the installation. You just put this into the power supply, like down here, and just pull this part here up and connect it to the fan like this. There you go, and you got your fan installed, and yeah, that's easy. Now you can see the light from the fan. Makes a very cool looking lighting inside the computer. And now thanks for watching this video. For more DL Extreme reviews, hit subscribe, and yeah, see you next time.